Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about some of the most common solar energy myths and debunk them with cold, hard facts. Let's shed some light on the truth about solar power. Myth number 1. Solar panels don't work in cold or cloudy climates. This couldn't be further from the truth. While it's true that solar panels produce more electricity in sunny conditions, they absolutely do work in cold and cloudy weather. In fact, solar panels can be more efficient in colder temperatures. Germany, not exactly known for its tropical climate, is one of the world leaders in solar energy production. Myth number 2, solar panels are too expensive. Once upon a time, this might have been true, but not anymore. The cost of solar panels has dropped by more than 70% in the last decade. Plus, many governments offer tax incentives and rebates for installing solar. When you factor in the long-term savings on your electricity bill, solar often pays for itself in just a few years. Myth number 3. Solar panels will damage my roof. This is a common concern, but it's unfounded. When installed correctly by professionals, solar panels can actually protect and preserve the portion of the roof they cover. They're designed to be durable and withstand extreme weather conditions. In fact, some insurance companies offer discounts for homes with solar panels. Myth number 4. Solar panels require a lot of maintenance. Actually, solar panels are incredibly low maintenance. They have no moving parts and are designed to last for decades. Most systems only require a simple cleaning a couple of times a year to keep them operating at peak efficiency. Many systems even come with self-cleaning technology. Myth number 5. Solar only works for heating. This is a big misconception. Solar panels generate electricity that can power anything in your home, from your refrigerator to your computer. They're not just for heating water or warming your house. A properly sized solar system can potentially cover all of your home's electrical needs. Myth number 6. Solar panels will store energy for use at night. While it's true that solar panels don't produce energy at night, this doesn't mean you're left in the dark. Most solar homes maintain a connection to the power grid, using it as a backup when needed. Alternatively, you can install a battery system to store excess energy for nighttime use. So there you have it, 6 solar myths debunked. Solar energy is more accessible, efficient, and practical than many people realize. Curious about how solar could work for you? Tap the link in the description for our free AI-powered solar analysis. It'll give you a personalized report based on your specific situation, all at no cost or obligation. Thanks for watching, and remember, the power of the sun is yours to harness.